In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Fyers account to TradingView so you can trade seamlessly right from the TradingView platform. Let's begin. Now, log into your TradingView account and then hover to the bottom left corner where you can see the trading panel. Here, type in Fyers. If you can't find it, click the search button, and then as you can see, the Fyers is here. I want you to click the connect button because once connected to TradingView, you can get live charts and price updates directly on TradingView without delays. Alright? Because Fyers provide real-time Indian stock market data. You can place buy and sell orders from the TradingView using your Fyers account. It eliminates the need to switch between platforms for analysis and execution because, as you know, TradingView offers powerful charting tools, technical indicators, and drawing tools. While connecting, Fyers allows you to use these tools on real tradable instruments. And basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.